Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the song, I Don't Care by Justin Bieber and Ed Sheeran on Territory.io. Alright, let's see, can we win? Actually, Keisha, it's a full sending off. Oh, what's this team thing? How many teams? 3 teams. Alright lads, should we do that? Not really sure. Next one is World 3 teams, so I think we'll, Battle Royale Asia. Not everybody's gonna go there, so I think it's better if we hit. Because there's going to be a lot less people. Oh, look at these people there. You see when they're underlined like that? Look at their ranking. Oh man, look at this ranking. 92 overall. There's like 3 million people who play this. At least. Well, that's crazy to be that good. It's crazy. The trick of these games is just to be quick. Hopefully I'll be able to do that here. Slowly. See if I get this guy on migration packs. Please guys join us with the 1914 clan. I know I'm not in it in this video, but please support it because it's new and I just want to try to get it up like the Drew clan. Remember when that was new? Oh man, I even enjoyed the Drew clan when it first came out. Alright, we slowly be taking over this land so we don't get cut off. Our neighbour here is pretty strong. I don't think there are going to be many people as strong as him though. So I don't think we need to worry much. That guy is actually slowly now. Put it down. You don't need to attack that fast. And now, this guy full sent us, of course. Oh. And now we're dead, guys, so guess that's it. Alright, I'm gonna try again.